Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a long time and I'm very sorry about that. And I did not reply so many comments which were asked about the Physics Wallah application. So I'm very sorry about that. And that's why I'm creating this video. Okay. If you are facing any issue, okay, you can ask on this video. Why on this video? Because the previous videos are too old and I'm not sure which issues that you asked are resolved or not. Okay, that's why uh, I thought that some comments has uh, 8 months old. Okay, so why would I make a video on that? That's the problem. Okay, so I created this video. So what you are going to do is you will ask any questions related to the Physics Wallah app or any uh, you know software terms. Okay, for example, so many students got passed and get got selected in a beautiful colleges. For example, if you are an engineering student, and later you will face a problem related to the installation of C++ or any other software installation. So, for example, the Node.js or any sort of the engineering terms problems, what you can do, you can ask these problems also, because I am a software engineer and I can resolve these, the problems very easily because I faced those problems. And the more important for whoever is in journey of Physics Wallah, please ask questions, and whoever completed the journey with Physics Wallah, those can also you know put their problems they faced while their journey. So that could help the juniors. And yeah, that's the main agenda of making this video. So please ask any questions you have as soon as possible. Okay, so I will be making a video on that as soon as possible. So thanks for watching.